everyone, in this video let me explain what is order pair and Cartesian product. Both are related to each other. First you need to know what is an order pair. For that let me take two sets A and B. Also let me take the elements of the sets A as lowercase a and B. Here the two elements, that is a set of two elements whose elements have been listed in a specified order. Note the word specified order is called order pair. Here we have to write it as in the parenthesis like A comma B. This is an order pair. Also you note that AB, that is an order pair, AB is not equal to BA, which means here this is the first component. A here is the first component. Here B is the second component. But here B is the first component and A is the second component. So here both are different. So now you can understand what is the meaning of order pair. Here they are in some specified order. If you change the position, definitely both of them are different. Next we come to Cartesian product. Here let me take the two sets A and B. That is, these two are non-empty sets. Then the Cartesian product of A and B, that is represented as A cross B, is equal to the set of all ordered pairs. It consists of the set of all ordered pairs xy such that x is an element of the set A and y is an element of the set B. So the Cartesian product consists of the set of all ordered pairs. Now you got an idea about what is an order pair and Cartesian product. Thank you.